Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to indent second line in Google Docs for citations. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Google Docs, just click on the sign up option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Indenting the second line in citations can improve the readability of the document, especially when dealing with long citations. It helps to visually separate the different parts of the citations, making it easier for readers to quickly identify key information. Now, for us to be able to do that, all we have to do is click on the blank document. And from here, let's start our new data. We can rename the document something like this one. All right, so I'm gonna put more data here. Now from here, all I have to do is select the text or the citations that you're working with and go to view. Make sure that your ruler is shown, because if not, it's gonna be problematic. If you can't see the option from here, all I have to do is just click on view and show ruler. The ruler is this indent symbol right here. Now, as you notice, if I drag this to the right side, it moves, right? Along with the small bar. If I go to the left, that's what's gonna happen. As you can see, they move along with the cursor. Now, if you wanted to indent the second line, all I have to do is click the upper part of it. Let me do that for now for a separate one. As you can see, that's what's gonna happen right here. Did you see that? Did you see the movement? Basically, these two icons are separable, so you can do them individually, and of course you can do them simultaneously. All right, as you can see, that's what's gonna happen. And again, if you wanted to move to indent the second line, just make it something like this. And hover something like this one. And I'm gonna insert an image right here. Now, indenting the second line in citations within the Google Docs promotes readability, consistency, and clarity, making it beneficial practice for academic and professional writing. I believe it's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.